waiting for him to join us live.
Hey Ridhima, what's up?
All good, and I just heard Miss Nayu's voice there, and you have just made my day. Oh my God.
Part-time
Hello.
duty. Full-time actually. Say hello. You wanna say hello? Say hi.
Hello.
Oh yeah, she just looked at the hearts. She loves hearts. She's got
She
one
loves
right tooth, so she's always pointing to hearts.
But let me tell you, she's just increased my fan following because of her. The fact that I can interact with her.
She is a rock star. Yeah, I'm trying to keep, a lot of people just lock and make IDs for their kids when they're born. I'm going to keep her away from social media. Just a nice hashtag. Hashtag Miss Nayu.
But how's being a dad of that pretty a girl?
Just stacking up on some shotguns.
Yeah. I think I have asked you this before as well.
No, it's amazing. Honestly, a lot of my friends already had babies and all of that. Delhi wale jaldi shaadi kar lete hain, and then business families and all of that. So it's always the thing, no? In our generation, people are like, "Are you ready to have a baby?" So a friend of mine told me, "Listen, you'll never be ready. So
Okay.
if you want to have kids, just have them." But it's amazing. It's a full-time job. लोग थक गए हैं लॉकडाउन में Netflix, Hotstar देख के हमारा काम ही नहीं खत्म होता यार.
But has it completely changed your life?
Completely. Earlier, when we used to be out on a cricket tour. Sorry, I'm just moving around a bit. There's still a lot
No,
going
that's
on.
fine.
Today was
That's
cleaning
fine.
day and groceries day, so not easy. So yeah, earlier when we used to go for cricket tours, so when we went to nice cities with friends and all of that, तो अगर शाम को मैच खत्म हो गया or something, you'd say चलो कल दोपहर की फ्लाइट लेके वापस जाएंगे. Now if I finish work at 11 o'clock at night and if I get a 3 o'clock in the morning flight, I'll take that and get back home because I want to be there when she wakes up. So yeah, everything changes.
True love. This is what I define as true love.
Yeah, and you stop shopping for yourself, yeah. Like my wife calls me the diva in the relationship. She's like, you're the one who's always shopping and all of that. But when you have a baby, you're only shopping for the baby. You're not shopping for yourself. Bilkul bhi nahi.
Yeah. You have no idea how famous she is in my house. And I'm sure a lot of people who are watching are going to agree with this. Every time, say like, if I'm having a bad day, I'm not joking on this at all. I'm having a bad day or something, I stalk her up. I'm not joking about this, Jatin.
That is very sweet.
So in love with your daughter, and touch wood, she is very pretty and very adorable. Really.
Well, that was one of the things. Thank you very much. And I'm guessing yeah, बहुत सारे लोग, they always send very good messages and all of that. And this is like a constant debate whether you should put out photographs of your babies on social media. This is always a debate with new parents. But we decided, यार, मानो तो दुनिया बड़ी negative है, मानो तो बहुत positive है. So if you just believe that people are out there who are not just out there to wish bad for you, there are more people who wish good for you. So positive approach के साथ it doesn't matter यार. लोग कहते हैं ना नजर लग जाती है. I don't believe in all of that. So we decided no यार, it's okay. We believe that there is more positivity out there than negativity.
I'm sure there is a lot of positivity, and she just radiates positivity. Okay, so Jatin, I think the fans have started getting angry already. The fact that I'm not asking you their questions, and trust me, a lot of questions have come in for you.
मेरे को समझ नहीं आता मेरे तो कोई फैन वैन नहीं है. I just call them viewers.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप? मैंने Jatin, हाँ जी.
I always maintain this. I always hate being on the other side. I hate being asked questions, and secondly, I always say that I'm nothing but just a cricket journalist who's on TV. So I don't understand this fan following business. Very sweet of people, but I get very overwhelmed. And I'm sorry, bolta, sometimes someone comes up for a photo, I think I get embarrassed. And still, after all these years, I get embarrassed. And Lara, my wife, sometimes like, why do you behave so weirdly? And I'm like, I don't know why they here. Why would they want a photo with me? That's the feeling. So, kabhi agar kahin kisi ko bura lag gaya, to I'm very sorry. I just don't know how to react. I think it's very awkward. Agar main apne sath kabhi photo nahi leta.
I think I have an answer to that. The reason why they want to photograph with you is A, you're very good at your job, and B, you've got the coolest job. So, and a lot of people want to be in that job, and they adore you on TV, and that's the reason why there are a lot of fans that you have, Jatin.
Very kind, very kind.
So I'm just going to
Very,
start
very
taking
kind.
some
Love them
questions.
all. Let me do this. I love you guys. I love you.
Lots of hearts coming your way. Anyway, so I am Nikki and Swaggy P is asking you who's your bestie in the Indian cricket team.
Who's my bestie? Where naam kya hai? What's his account name? Handle?
I am Nikki and Swaggy P. These are two accounts asking you
Acha,
the
two
same
accounts.
question. Yeah.
Who's my bestie in the Indian team? A lot of boys that I would say very good friends with, because it's a very fine balance, and this is something that I've always maintained. I might be friends with them, might occasionally catch up for a meal and all, but I've always maintained that eventually, when I do my job, it has to be a very neutral relationship. So I make it clear
Yeah.
very early, that I'm not going to be soft if ever I need to. Anyways, I don't think my job is to criticize someone or to judge them, but I always maintain that fine line. But Hardik, Krunal, they're also like my neighbors. Krunal's wife, again, she's Nayu's almost Bua. Nayu calls her Panku
Yeah.
Bua.
Yeah.
KL Rahul, Yuzi, this entire bunch, they're just a very nice
Yeah.
bunch.
Yeah.
And so these are obviously the boys. I mean, I don't want to like pick and choose names.
Okay.
But yeah, I think Karthik, Krunal, KL, Yuzi, श्रेयस वो पता नहीं अंदर से मेरे को unnecessarily कभी क्रिकेट नहीं खेला कभी इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट नहीं खेला but because I think I've been in the industry following this game for so many years कभी कभी लगता है like if I know anything about things that could play around in terms of behavior and all of that, so I just feel that elder brotherly feeling sometimes.
Oh, all right. So Srag Gurinder is asking, which is your favorite match in the cricket history that you've hosted?
Cricket history, कौन सा cricket history favorite match?
हाँ, मतलब जो आपने host किया है.
अच्छा, मैंने host किया है.
हाँ जी.
I used to do commentary in 2007 for you होता था ना Vodafone कॉल कीजिए 132 और लीजिए live match updates. So नोएडा में एक छोटे से बूथ में बैठ के हम कमेंट्री कर रहे थे वो वोडाफोन अपडेट्स के लिए जब युवराज सिंह ने 6 छक्के मारे थे. So उस लेवल पे था, but I think it's still a very memorable moment for me. I was still in my last year college doing this as a part-time job. But on television, 2011 World Cup, I was in Sri Lanka. I didn't cover the final. I was there.
Oh.
I think it'll be India-Pakistan, Old Trafford, this World Cup game, because I had Sachin Tendulkar, Virendra Sehwag as my guests, an India-Pakistan World Cup game. And I was in the commentary box and I had the chance, the privilege to introduce Sachin, Viru, Saurav, and Waqar Yunus from Pakistan. These were heroes that I grew up watching, and to welcome them in the commentary box for an India-Pakistan World Cup game. सहवाग ने कहा था कि एक आदमी हूँ, मैं ठीक-ठाक सपने देखता हूँ, ये सपने में नहीं देखा था. So I think that will stay as my dream moment.
Oh, I can imagine. I think I saw you there.
Yes, you were there, of course. You were there.
And I saw the line and I was like, wow, man. Anyway, everybody's asking you, a lot of people have asked you, what was your journey like getting into this profession? I'd be very interested to know that. There are rumors about it. I have never heard it from you, though. That
what are the rumors? Tell me.
Harsha ki khoj hai.
Harsha Ki Khoj was the first edition. So basically, it used to be ESPN Star Sports, and Dream Job is a big American reality show, which when they did for the first time, it's an ESPN reality show. So the first time जब उन्होंने किया था India में, that edition was Harsha Ki Khoj. That Anand Ashwin had won, and then I think a couple of years later they did Dream Job 2. इसमें the judges were Mandira Sani was there. Sorry, Mandira Bedi was there. Mandira Sani was there. Mandira Bedi, Ravi Shastri, Wasim Akram, Sunny Bhai, and ESPN Sports Center senior producer. So these were the judges. Lekin journey here, I never wanted to do this, I'll be honest. Wanted to do this because I never thought I'm good enough to do it. So, and I use this as a tool. I tell people that it's a big reason because I was never overawed by this. I never thought I'm good enough to do it. So kabhi aisa socha hi nahi tha, again, realistic hope. So I was in college, dropped out of engineering, fought with my dad. Till 10th, I was a good student, but 11th, 12th, my marks really dropped in science. I didn't want to do engineering, but Kashmiri boy engineering to karni padegi.
Yeah.
So then marks dropped in 11th, 12th. I was playing Delhi zonals cricket, that got locked up. And then engineering, 6-8 months, I realized I can't do it. So I took my decision. I gave my journalism entrance exams and made it to a decent university. And my dad said that he wasn't really even talking to me. So I said, give me 3 years, give me 3-4 years, let me try and do something. So, but in my very first year of journalism, I realized that I need to work at the same time because sirf padhai se kuch nahi hoga. So I was doing a lot of part-time jobs. I worked with a couple of news channels. I used to go to college in the morning, then go work here, media publications. एक न्यूज आईडी कार्ड बना के प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में चले जाते थे लिखने के लिए. And then when even this dream job contest came about, I was doing that job that I told you.
Yeah.
Working at a mobile platform. So a friend of mine said, क्या कर रहा है तू, audition क्यों नहीं कर रहा? And I was like, पागल है यार, बेइज्जती थोड़ी करानी है अपनी. And he actually, like, it's such a vivid memory. I think I had 5 or 7 rupees on my phone, and he said, last day है, audition कर. And I just auditioned and forgot about it. And then got a call, went to the Delhi auditions, cleared it, then top 18, one round after the other, kept clearing and ended up winning it. So that is how I got into ESPN then. And then obviously in 2012-13, the takeover happened and Star Sports.
How did Hindi happen?
How?
How did Hindi happen? I'm asking you this question because you told me the story to this.
हाँ, हिंदी I had just started, मतलब 2008 मैंने ESPN के साथ जब काम शुरू किया, obviously I was very junior. Harsha was there, Gautam used to work, Gautam was a senior. So I used to get these odd reporting duties, ask questions and all of that. मेरे अपने दोस्त बोलते थे यार तेरे को टीवी पे तो देखा नहीं, कहते हैं ESPN में काम करते हैं, we never see you. When you do a world feed interview, you're not on camera.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
our father used to be like, I've never seen you on TV. So 2012, I hosted the World T20 for the first time. That was my first big gig. And uske baad, when Star Sports came in, they were obviously going very aggressive for Hindi. And
Yeah.
so they tried a lot of people in the entertainment industry, some wonderful people. But I think the hunt continued, and one fine day said, I think Champions Trophy 2013, uske pehle they decided that I was going to do Hindi. And I was like, okay. So अखबार पढ़े थे 2-3 महीने हिंदी के, बिकॉज फर्क है ना, जैसे हम हिंदी में बात करते हैं उसमें और टीवी पे हिंदी में फर्क है.
और एंकर करने में बहुत ज्यादा फर्क.
I had to prepare for it. But yeah, but seeing the reach, यार कोई कुछ भी बोले, हम दिल्ली, मुंबई, साउथ obviously they don't talk a lot in Hindi, लेकिन नॉर्थ और सेंट्रल इंडिया में लोग मेट्रोज में जरूर इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं, देखते हैं. We have a great panel anyways on both the networks, लेकिन हिंदी में इमोशन है यार.
बिल्कुल. I agree with that. All right. Rohit is asking you, is hosting the IPL...
Rohit Sharma?
नहीं, Rohit AC.
हाँ.
How I wish कि मेरे Instagram को follow कर रहे होते रोहित शर्मा जी. How is hosting the IPL overwhelming for you?
Nothing's ever been overwhelming. I'll be honest. World Cup, again, India-Pakistan game, sometimes, because you're just really excited. You know, sometimes cricketers tell you, यार जब debut था उसके पहले रात को नींद नहीं आई. उसकी वजह overwhelming या कभी-कभी डर नहीं होता, सिर्फ एक excitement होती है. You just want to go out there and put your preparation out. You would have felt that when you were doing the World Cup. So never overwhelmed. My first interview ever was Sana Jayasuriya, someone who I admired so much. But since it was my job and I went prepared, I wasn't in awe. I've actually only been in awe of Rahul Dravid and Sachin Tendulkar. When he retired and he was walking back up the stairs, I was there with my cameraman and I just froze. I couldn't, and he said hi and I was just like...
No. No. I think the world froze. Everybody froze. And you being right there in the stadium, I can only imagine what must have happened.
Yeah, during that speech was very teary-eyed thing. But no, nothing overwhelms me. I get a lot of nervous energies. Every time I start a show, I feel the same way. I feel nervous. Because that is good. I always believe till you get that nervous tingling, that means that you still find what you're doing challenging, and that's your responsibility towards what you do. But overwhelming, nervous energy sometimes when it's a big occasion and you want to get off to a great start, but
Yeah.
not overwhelmed.
Yeah. But does it feel like any difference then, like there's so much hype and there's so much energy and talk about the IPL. I mean, if you look at the comments even right now, Jatin sir, please tell us when is IPL going to start? And it's all about the IPL right now. Is there anything different? I've never hosted the IPL, so I have to ask you.
I think for good reason, I think it is cricket's biggest showpiece event in many ways in T20s. You get the best. You get the best playing in the tournament. There are other bigger leagues, but there is none bigger than the IPL, right, in cricket. If you look at the number of people who watch it, it is comparable to perhaps some of the biggest leagues in the world, whether it's the NFL, whether it's the NBA and all. Cumulative. Look at the number of people. But IPL में India रोज जीती है. You can be a hardcore Bangalore fan.
Yeah.
But if you played against Chennai Super Kings, I mean, of course, for one city it could be if it's an eliminator, your team gets knocked out. Last 4 matches nahi.
Yeah.
But जब तक league stage होता है, you get a feeler, for the neutral, India is winning every day. It's not a match where you might finish feeling upset. So IPL is almost 2 months of that good feeling, your favorite cricketers, your favorite international cricketers, and every day that feel good factor. So, अच्छा sorry यार ये सही कह रहा है साहिब हिंदी में ज़्यादा बात करेंगे IPL का मज़ा सबसे ज़्यादा यही है कि फील जो आती है ना रोज एंड अलग अलग प्लेयर्स रोज बात करने के लिए डिफरेंट स्ट्रैटेजीज अलग अलग ग्राउंड्स बहुत मजेदार है IPL से ज़्यादा मज़ा मतलब वर्ल्ड कप ऑब्वियसली अलग होता है लेकिन
मेरे साथ दिस इज द लाइन ऑफ द ईयर IPL में भारत रोज जीतता है I think this should be the line of the millennium. This is really good.
चेन्नई फैंस बोलेंगे सर पिछली बार जब फाइनल हारे हमें तो बहुत बुरा लगा था बट अगेन जैसे जब तक एलिमिनेटर्स वगैरह नहीं होते तब तक बट मैं न्यूट्रल की तरह देखता हूँ अपनी फेवरेट टीम नहीं बताऊंगा लेकिन ऑलमोस्ट न्यूट्रल की तरह देखता हूँ एंड सो मेरे को तो सारे मैच पसंद आ रहे हैं.
अच्छा बहुत लोगों ने ये पूछा है अभी भी लाइव में पूछ रहे हैं और साथ ही साथ मुझे पहले भी इसके बारे में क्वेश्चन आए थे कि प्लीज
ये पार्थिव पटेल यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं ये पार्थिव पटेल मौके पे आए हैं यहाँ पे ये कैमियो खेलने आए ये टॉप ऑर्डर में नहीं आज थोड़ा लेट आए स्टार्ट में लेकिन ये कैमियो खेलेंगे और 2 कुछ बड़े फनी से इमोजी छोड़ के चले जाएंगे मुझे पता है पार्थिव पटेल जी का बीपी
ड्रॉप इन योर क्वेश्चन पार्थिव ऑलराइट
कीपर को कॉट बिहाइंड कर लिया हमने
तो जतिन जितने भी माही फैंस हैं वो सब ये एक आप जब भी कोई भी डालो कोई भी क्रिकेटर के बारे में पहला क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं कि प्लीज माही जी के बारे में कुछ बोलते तो आप प्लीज बताएं हमें व्हाट इज योर फर्स्ट इंटरेक्शन लाइक विद हिम
इट इज सो विविड क्योंकि ये सवाल मैं एक्चुअली काफियों से पूछता हूँ 2009 का वर्ल्ड T20 था 2010 वेस्ट इंडीज में जो था एंड इंडियन टीम बहुत लंबी फ्लाइट लेके आई थिंक सेंट लूसिया में पहला मैच था सो यहाँ मुंबई से लंदन से बारबेडोस या वाया न्यूयॉर्क उसके बाद सेंट लूसिया और 1.5-2 घंटे की बस जर्नी करके आई थिंक पूरी टीम आई थी एंड मेरे को वहाँ पे इंटरव्यूज करने के लिए भेजा गया था इंडियन टीम जब आएगी हम स्टोरी कर रहे थे एंड मेरे पास परमिशन थी मैं अथॉरिटीज का नाम नहीं ले रहा किससे परमिशन थी या क्या है परमिशन थी मेरे पास एंड टीम आई वहाँ पे एंड मैं बहुत जूनियर था यार मेरा दूसरा साल था तो एंड मैं हमेशा से महेंद्र सिंह धोनी का बहुत बड़ा फैन था एंड उनकी जो पूरी एक बॉडी लैंग्वेज है ना थोड़ी अलग है ही वॉक्स अराउंड बिल्कुल सिंप्लिसिटी के साथ तो जब सब चेक इन कर रहे थे तो मैं बड़ा परेशान घूम रहा था कि इंटरव्यू मने हो गए थे सबके और मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा था वापस फोन करके बताऊं क्या तो वहां पे आम पड़े थे सो बाकी सब चेक इन कर रहे थे सो मैंने चेक इन नहीं किया उन्होंने वेट किया उन्होंने एक आम उठाया एंड ना कोई वेट चाकू वाकू कुछ नहीं जैसे हम खाते हैं आम तक करके खाना शुरू कर दिया आम एकदम चूसते एंड ही इज लाइक आई जस्ट लुक्ड एट हिम एंड स्माइल्ड एंड आई डाउट ही वुड हैव प्रॉब्ली हम मिले नहीं थे कभी
हाँ,
फिर शक्ल से वो जानते होंगे कि ग्राउंड पे देखा है इसको भटकते हुए,
हाँ,
तो he's like इतना परेशान क्यों घूम रहा है?
हाँ,
साफ जाएगा, मेरे को ना ऐसे ऐसे इंटरव्यू करने को बोला था तो मैं आ गया हूँ यहाँ पे, लेकिन कोई
हाँ,
इंटरव्यू मिल नहीं रहा।
हाँ,
He's like, हाँ मैंने मना किया। So he's like, oh अच्छा। So he put his
हम्म,
arm around my shoulder. He's like, इतने घंटे का सफर करके आए हैं, तो जिसने
हाँ,
भी बोला ना इंटरव्यू के लिए, उसको बोलना माही ने मना किया, क्योंकि अभी जो हालत है ना,
हाँ,
सही नहीं है कि कोई भी और बैठ के इंटरव्यू दे, तेरी गलती नहीं है,
हाँ,
लेकिन
हाँ,
ये बोल देना कि माही ने बोला। एंड आई वाज लाइक सोल्ड, आई वाज लाइक क्या बनना है, क्या बनना है। बट व्हेनेवर आई स्पोकन टू हिम, एक बार हम लोग वो चैरिटी फुटबॉल मैच जो होता है उसके
हाँ,
पहले थे, एंड वी वर इन द बस टुगेदर, आई वाज कमिंग विद द टीम फ्रॉम द होटल, एंड आई वाज आस्किंग माही, आई वाज लाइक, एंड नाउ ऑब्वियसली वी मेट सो मेनी टाइम्स एंड वर्क टुगेदर एंड ऑल, आई वाज लाइक माही व्हाट डू यू डू, बिकॉज़ यू आर नॉट वेरी बिग ऑन फोन्स और एनीथिंग। लाइक यार ये पता नहीं क्यों शाम को 7 बजे की गेम रख लेते हैं, जब शाम को खेलना होता है ना तो मेरे को अभी भी वैसी फीलिंग आती है जैसे बचपन में होती है ना कि छुट्टी का दिन है और शाम को खेलना है, तो पूरा दिन क्या करूँ, तो मैं सो जाता हूँ, खाता हूँ, उठता हूँ, देखता हूँ अभी इतना टाइम है, फिर सो जाता हूँ, फिर थोड़ा पबजी खेल लेता हूँ। सो आई एम जस्ट सो एंक्शियस टू प्ले, एंड he is still that same kid who just loves the idea of sports and the idea of playing, and nothing has changed it, nothing.
You know, you interact with him so much, and I think the kind of national sentiment that people have towards Mahendra Singh Dhoni, I I've not I've seen that sentiment very rare with other sportsmen. You know, what is it about him that makes him like a national hero?
He is India's
The fact that he's got
India's
us World
very own
Cup.
story.
Yeah, yeah.
No, एक obviously एक affinity
हाँ,
वर्ल्ड कप विनिंग कैप्टन्स के साथ अलग रहती है।
हाँ, वो हटा दें आप।
जब कपिल पाजी हमारे साथ पैनल पे होते हैं ना, और हम
हाँ,
किसी भी शहर में जाते हैं और आपको ये लगता है कि अरे ये करंट जनरेशन ने 1983 वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल कहाँ देखा था,
हाँ, हाँ,
ग्रेटनेस ऑफ कपिल देव कहाँ देखी होगी, लेकिन जब कपिल देव गाड़ी से उतरते हैं ना तो जनता दीवानी हो जाती है। सब
yeah,
क्रिकेटर्स के लिए होती है, लेकिन कपिल देव एक वर्ल्ड कप विनिंग कैप्टन है, पहला वर्ल्ड कप विनिंग कैप्टन।
right.
MS धोनी इस पूरी करंट जनरेशन के लिए घर पे वर्ल्ड कप जीते, एंड अब वो वर्ल्ड कप पूरी टीम ने जीता। वो फाइनल गौतम गंभीर वाज सेंसेशनल, सो वाज माही, बट गौतम गंभीर वाज फिनोमिनल। लेकिन कहते हैं ना कभी कभी वो कायनात ऐसे कुछ काम कर जाती है कि आपकी एक मेमोरी रह जाती है। दैट विनिंग शॉट, जिस
Yeah,
अंदाज में वो शॉट खेला, वो पहली
yeah,
मेमोरी बन गई आपकी वर्ल्ड कप की। सो
yeah.
ऑलमोस्ट द होल यूनिवर्स वाज टुगेदर कि धोनी बिग सिक्सेस उसी अंदाज में वो खत्म करेंगे और 28 साल बाद इंडिया वर्ल्ड कप जीतेगी। दैट सेंटिमेंट स्टेट। T20 वर्ल्ड कप अगेन, यू नो, इट्स नॉट दैट MS contributed a lot,
Yeah,
contributed young captain and all of that, लेकिन लंबे लंबे बाल, रांची से हार्ड
yeah,
हिटिंग बैट्समैन, सो
yeah.
सबकी एक अपनी कहानी बन गई। शायद जो एक अपनापन सबको घरों में महसूस होता था सचिन तेंदुलकर में, वो लगता था हर माँ को लगता था ये मेरा बेटा है,
मेरा बेटा है, हाँ.
ये पूरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उठा रहा है। तो रांची से आके ऐसी कहानी, ट्रेन रेलवेज में काम करके, बाइक्स पे घूम के, मुश्किल से क्रिकेट खेल के वर्ल्ड कप जीतना, तो हर इंडियन की अपनी कहानी बन गई। एक एस्पिरेशनल वैल्यू रहती है, तो वो एस्पिरेशनल वैल्यू के साथ आप एसोसिएट करते हैं अपने इमोशंस को, एंड MS इज नॉट अ प्लेयर, ही इज एन इमोशन।
He truly is an emotion. In fact, आपको पता नहीं, शायद पता है कि नहीं, कि मैं रांची की हूँ.
ऑफ कोर्स आई नो।
My roots are from रांची. और जो हमारा घर है is very close to MSD's house.
द न्यू वन और द ओल्ड वन? शौर्य?
The old one, जहाँ उनकी बाइक पार्क रहती थी. तो it is very close to that. तो इनफैक्ट हमारे छत के टप्पे से उनका वो घर दिखता था. लेकिन तब जब when we were growing, तब nobody knew that this is going to be MS Dhoni. You know? Everybody was like, हाँ चलो एक लड़का है जो यहाँ पे क्रिकेट खेलता है and all of that, and you won't believe it, even till date, all my relatives think कि वो उसी घर का लड़का है. There is so much affection that they have with him, कि ये हमारे सामने तो बड़ा हुआ है. And everybody from Ranchi keeps texting me, अरे you know, आप भाई से एक बार बोल दो कि आप रांची के हो and all of that. So this Ranchi connection with MSD, people from Ranchi, we think that we own him. We completely own him.
And the thing is, I think he's also reciprocated in that way.
Yeah.
You know, he's
ये सही है.
whatever you hear, किसी से भी सुनो, पहली चीज आप हमेशा उनकी सिंप्लिसिटी के बारे में ही सुनोगे। एंड
Yeah.
ये मेरे को लगता है हमारे नटखट चहल भी आ गए हैं, अपना एक कमेंट।
अच्छा. But you see,
ड्रैकुला उठ गया है, ड्रैकुला के उठने का टाइम हो गया है। महाराज 5 बजे उठते हैं। अभी मैंने रिकॉर्ड किया था इनके साथ एसैप पे जेसैप, उसमें
देखा मैंने।
तो अभी उठ गए। हाँ,
गुड मॉर्निंग।
बट या सो दैट सिंप्लिसिटी, जैसे आप कह रहे हैं that रांची को लगता है दे ओन माही, आई थिंक ऐसे सबको लगता है इंडिया में ना, क्योंकि
सबको लगता
मैं हमेशा क्वेश्चन अपने आप डेवलपिंग, ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट इज हम क्यों इतने दीवाने होते हैं जब हम स्पोर्ट्स देखते हैं। हम तो खेल नहीं रहे, हम टिकट्स के खुद पैसे दे रहे हैं, हम टीवी पे देख रहे हैं, हम अपना काम छोड़ रहे हैं, हम स्कूल नहीं जा रहे, हम एग्जाम नहीं दे रहे। हम इतने दीवाने क्यों होते हैं? अग्री, एक पैशन है कि हमारा देश खेल रहा है या हमारी टीम खेल रही है, लेकिन सबके अंदर ना वो एक हिडन एस्पिरेशन रहती है कि काश मेरी लाइफ में एक ऐसा मोमेंट मिले कि मैं पूरे देश के लिए कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं। और क्योंकि most of us don't end up doing it, unfortunately we don't see our army commandos, all these people in the line of duty do it, जो हम अभी अपने health workers को देख रहे हैं, they're doing it, but cricket actually allows us to watch it अपने सामने, कुछ ऐसी moment जो हम सोचते रहते हैं कि शायद हम भी कर पाते। So that I think is the reason why people who might not have ever played, कभी किसी ने एक बॉल नहीं खेली होगी, लेकिन वो क्रिकेट इतना पैशनेटली देखता है कि सबको अंदर से लगता है यार अगर मैं भी कर पाता ये तो क्या बात है, लेकिन चलो देख तो पा रहे हैं। I don't know, there is just a philosophy.
I think that's the absolute right philosophy. Usually saying कलर फेयर हो गया है भैया आपका, जाओ बाहर जाके मसाज तो करवा लो once. That's for you.
ये अपना कोट इन्होंने वायरल कर दिया है, ये कह रहे हैं और अच्छी बात कह रहे हैं, जितने हमारे व्यूअर्स देख भी रहे हैं, कोई घर से बाहर निकलेगा तो बाहर हमारी जो पुलिस तैनात है उनसे मसाज मिलेगी फ्री में, तो मत निकलो।
Okay. All right, I'll move on to the next one that Rohit's asking, which is the highlight of your career. This is another Rohit. This is not Rohit AC. Highlight of your career.
Highlight of my career. Again, like I've mentioned, some matches, some tournaments. पहला वर्ल्ड कप बड़ा स्पेशल होता है। मेरे को एक बार पैनल याद है जब आई थिंक एक पर्सनल, बहुत शायद छोटे लेवल का होगा, एक पर्सनल हाईलाइट है, केविन पीटरसन ने अपना टेलीविजन डेब्यू मेरे साथ किया, लेकिन उससे ज्यादा स्पेशल राहुल द्रविड़, हु इज माय अल्टीमेट आइडल। उन्होंने जब पहली बार डेब्यू किया था 2012 वर्ल्ड कप के टाइम पे, तो उनका डेब्यू जो था, मैं भी पहली बार वो बड़ा शो होस्ट कर रहा था, सो सीक्रेटली वेरी सैटिस्फाइड दैट देयर इट इज। मैं हमेशा बोलता राहुल भाई को दैट डेब्यू तो सर आपने, एक डेब्यू आपने सौरव गांगुली के साथ किया था, दूसरा डेब्यू
और एक
वो बड़ा कमाल की याद है, बिकॉज़ इन दैट गेम 96 लॉर्ड्स, नासिर हुसैन वाज इन इंग्लैंड, द कैप्टन, ही सॉ सौरव गांगुली, राहुल द्रविड़ make their debuts, and the panel that we had in 2012 was again Nasir Hussain, Saurav Ganguly and Rahul Dravid. So that was actually a small dream moment. But highlight, I just think an average sports fan who loved the game gets to know these people first name basis, इतना प्यार और थोड़ी सी respect मिल जाती है, इससे बड़ी कोई highlight। That's what I'm grateful about. That's it.
Yuzi is asking you, भैया 2011 में आपने ना एक लेजेंड का इंटरव्यू किया था, आफ्टर दैट इंटरव्यू आपका करियर चेंज हो गया, उस लेजेंड का नाम
कोई गेस कर ले वो लेजेंड कौन था? एक ही हो सकता है।
I'm guessing.
एकदम झल्ला सा टी शर्ट, अच्छा, और इंडिया ऑब्वियसली नहीं, मुंबई की जर्सी थी, निकली हुई थी बाहर, कभी टक इन तो की नहीं भाई ने, लेजेंड है हमारे, और भैया 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 करके आए थे, वो एक ही लेजेंड है। थैंक यू यूजी मेरे भाई, थैंक यू। एक्चुअली आई कम टू थिंक ऑफ इट, लकी चार्म।
All right, we've got Arun asking you, I think we've already asked that, your memory with Mahi Bhai. Jay's asking you, how do you like to be called the cricket guy, and how did that name come up?
I gave myself that name.
You gave yourself that name?
Yeah, because for a very long time it used to be very embarrassing, and I'm guessing a lot of anchors go through this.
Yeah.
होता है और ये चलता रहेगा। I'm guessing a lot of film stars also maybe go through this. I'm sure start में रणवीर सिंह को बड़े रणवीर कपूर बुलाते होंगे।
Yeah, I'm sure.
And,
yeah.
I don't know if you've been through it, लेकिन जब when I started, obviously you know एक नाम associate हो जाता है। So Gautam used to be my senior, so first few times I'd go to the field, like, hey Gautam bhai, and then उसके बाद when you do more often, because हमारा नाम इतना आता नहीं, experts will not take our
Yeah.
name that much. So in the initial
Yeah.
stage क्या होता है, आप चलते हैं, जब ग्राउंड पे जाते हैं, कहीं से जाते हैं, बोलते हैं वो क्रिकेट करता है ना ये टीवी पे, like, isn't he that cricket guy?
Yeah.
Then I was like,
Yeah.
so first it felt very annoying. Why don't you know
Yeah.
my name? But then
Yeah.
like, yeah, why would they know your name? You know, it's
Yeah.
you're a storyteller, not the story. So I was like, चलो फिर that cricket guy को अपना hashtag बना लेते हैं.
Yeah, I think that was very, very innovative. Extremely. I think when I first got introduced to you, or I think after a couple of months, I think I followed you on Twitter. And when I saw that cricket guy, the first instance that came to me, the first thought that came to me is like, this guy's so aware of the surroundings, you know,
Yeah.
because that must have happened to him initially. That must have really happened to him initially. And now, of course, you're a star. But I'm sure I'm asking you, who's your best expert to work with?
Best
I'm
expert.
guessing.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
can't pick one. We've got a tremendous panel. In fact, up से कुछ देर में, you'll see some of my favorites. 7 o'clock, we've got a brand new show on Star Sports, which we've launched, called Cricket Connected. So, Nasir Hussain is there. He's one of my favorites. VVS Lakshman. VVS
Yeah.
though is very, very special. Sare Irfan, Gautam, Bhajupa. I don't want to miss taking out names. Parthiv did some stuff with us. Yeah, it's actually a family. You know,
Yeah.
and I hope that people जब वो shows देखते हैं, they get a feeling, maybe being in the industry for a few years has given me that bit of a chemistry and rapport with them. हम actually जो TV पे आप मस्ती देखते हैं, उससे 10 गुना ज़्यादा मस्ती होती है जो
ज़्यादा
podcast
मस्ती
कर नहीं
होती है।
सकते. So
Yeah.
we actually at Star Sports, it's just one big happy family.
Yeah.
So
Has there been like an oops moment for you on air? Yeah.
my oops moment,
Yeah.
then for that we'll have to call Shoaib Akhtar. No?
Well, moving on.
It went viral, no? That Shoaib.
Yeah, it did.
And even that, it's amazing. Because सबको लगा
Yeah.
शोएब को गुस्सा आया, वो वाजिब सी बात है. वो अलग बात ये है कि वो डायरेक्शन में you'll know कैमरा कब कौन सा कटता है. मैं हसन
हाँ.
कपिल पाजी के रिएक्शन में था. शोएब को
हाँ.
लगा मैं शोएब या पाकिस्तान पे हंसा. किसी ने ये नहीं सुना कि मैं एक्चुअली शोएब को बोल रहा हूँ. ओके. और मैंने एक सवाल कुछ और पूछा.
Yeah.
Shoaib reacted that way. I threw to a presentation and I'm like, Shebi, what happened? And he's
Yeah.
like, यार तू हंस रहा है ऐसे on air. मैंने लेकिन
Yeah.
मैं तो कपिल पाजी जो कुछ कह रहे थे उस पे हंसा था. आप पे थोड़ी मैं हंसा था. He's like,
Yeah.
यार अच्छा नहीं लगता ऐसे टीवी पे तो लगा हो मेरे पे ऐसे. मैं I'm really sorry but it wasn't the case. हमने शो खत्म किया. हम लोग डिनर पे बैठे. मैं और शोएब साथ में. And I suddenly go on Twitter and I see, oh my God, there's a headline everywhere.
Yeah.
Shoaib Akhtar loses his cool. Indian anchor upset Shoaib Akhtar, and it went viral. And I'm like, Shoaib bhai, ये देखें जरा. And he's like, चलने दो. And next day मेरी छुट्टी थी. And people are like,
You're
fire
sacked.
कर दिया इसको तो.
Yeah. Oh God, no, but वो वीडियो आज तक जो है, it's आप अगर जतिन सप्रू इंटरव्यू डालो, जो कि मैंने डाला, वो वही वीडियो आता है.
Man.
वही इंटरव्यू आता है.
That changed. और oops में ये बार कमेंट्री में slip of tongue हो गया था. I was talking about someone, नाम नहीं लूंगा किस प्लेयर का था. So I was basically saying, और ये कहते हैं ना किस्मत जो होती है,
Yeah.
ये हमेशा तब होते हैं जब आप एड ब्रेक में जा रहे होते हो,
हाँ.
रिकवर भी ना कर पाओ.
हाँ.
बोला कि इन्होंने इंडिया के लिए इतनी जबरदस्त पारियां खेली हैं और वो पारियों की जगह नारी निकल गया मुंह से. I had to wait for an entire ad break to come back. And we were all in splits. और realize भी नहीं हो कि मैंने क्या ऐसे क्या पारी खेली थी. And I'm like क्या नारी, and my producer like अबे, I don't know what happened.
Yeah.
He like you said this. मैंने नहीं यार. He's like Brett तेरे को वापस सुना दूंगा. मैंने मैंने पारी बोला है. He's like and I was like oh God.
So I have to share this moment with you, okay? अभी मैं जब NBA कर रही थी, and we were doing a show for right before the 31st. I think there was I think Christmas था या 31st था. So my break का line था, it's time to get ready for the battle. Okay, ये बोलना था. So I said, it's time to get ready for the bottle. That's what I said. And then of course I had no time to recover. And then of course जब चला गया ad पे, everybody's like, bottle? Really?
Yeah, a bottle of champagne, put it on ice.
All right. So with that, Jatin, I'm sure आपने कुछ होता देखी है अभी. है ना? तो उसमें गेम है जो शाहरुख खान की बेटी अंजलि शाहरुख खान के साथ खेलती है. That I give you a word and the first word that comes to your mind, you have to say that word.
Okay, वैसे पता है मैंने वो कूल वाला लॉकेट डाला था 2-3 महीने.
डाला. Are you Shahrukh Khan fan?
एक वो गिर गया था तो वो कोल भी रह गया था तो भी मैंने लगाए रखा थोड़े टाइम.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I was cool like that. Never mind.
Oh.
No, don't. Let's not judge each other or anyone by what they were in school.
No, not at all. I'm just taken aback. That's all. Okay, so we're going to play that game, and this is going to be really ASAP, JSAP.
Okay, cool.
Okay. All right. So 1, 2, 3, go. Cricket.
Everything.
Spin.
Sorry?
Spin.
Spin.
Yeah.
The ball. Oh.
Whatever. With the
Nut
first
cut.
word. Sorry.
Nut cut.
Finisher.
Dhoni.
Captain. Come on. MS.
Am I taking
Friend.
player names or anything? Player names.
Anything that comes to your mind. Anything.
Okay.
All right. You want to play this again? Let's
Yeah,
start
let's
from the
play.
beginning. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, go. Cricket.
Everything.
Spin.
I'll stick with that. Naughty. Spin is
Finisher.
naughty.
Finisher.
MS.
Captain.
Virat. Current.
Friend.
Trend.
Yeah.
Uh,
Come on. Come on.
Overrated.
Best friend. Best friend.
Mine? Yeah, lots. No, there's not one. We have a group called Chut Buds. 3, 4.
Wardrobe.
Classy.
Love.
Love. Miss Nayu.
Queen.
Wifey.
Brave.
Brave. Our soldiers. And right now our doctors.
Blessing.
Life.
Marriage.
The best partnership. Matchmaking.
Quarantine.
Chamakte hue bartan.
Mahi.
I think we'll stick with Captain Cool.
Life.
Blessing. Again, intertwined.
Perfect. But this could have been more ASAP. But I have to tell you.
Could have been more ASAP. Yeah, I know. I wasn't expecting this at all. Yeah.
No, but this
I
is
think
really
in
fun.
life, okay, the last life one, I'll say the whole family.
The whole family.
Yeah. I'm a very senti type of a guy. Yeah, I get very rustled if there's anything wrong at home now. So my parents, my brother, and my wife and daughter, if there's anything wrong with anyone, I cannot just put it aside and sort of go on with anything. So
yeah. Family comes first always, Jatin. Jatin, I'm just going to take one last question that everybody's asking is that what has been your favorite fan moment?
Favorite fanboy moment?
Yeah, fan moment. Your favorite fan moment. Not fanboy moment. A fan that's come to you and...
yeah, there are a few people on Instagram who have these handles running. Again, I wonder why.
Yeah.
So they keep messaging, and I just want to tell them that I feel very overwhelmed, and it makes you feel very special and loved. Favorite fan moment? I was in Mumbai, Wankhede, and Abhi recently outside office. Wankhede mein there's this guy when I was just walking. You've seen Wankhede, right? When we go professionally beaches, the broadcast area mein. And there was a guy who just crying. He just wanted to like shake hands, and मैंने experts की तरफ point किया, who do you want to meet? You know, I'll try and get them. And he said, no sir, I just want to meet you.
Oh.
And I obviously went up to him and उसको झाड़ लगे. Can you stop crying? Why? And he just said that he really wants to do what I do. And I was like, but stop crying. And then sometime back he was also outside our Star Sports office. So मैंने सबसे पहले उसको झाड़ लगाई that, you know, you're young, and this is what I want to tell everyone. You can have role models. They could be cricketers. You could have idols. लेकिन there is a limit. Take all the good things. They might or might not be accessible. सब चाहते हैं कि जितने उनसे सवाल पूछे जाएं उसका जवाब दें. अगर वो नहीं दे पाते उसका ये मतलब नहीं that they're acting pricey. There could be many reasons for it, but even if you never get to meet your idol or anything, just take all the positives, learn whatever you can, and just move on. मतलब don't go crazy. Don't go crazy. Have that self-respect. हर एक बंदा अपने आप में स्पेशल है। आप अगर चाहे टीवी पे नहीं आ रहे, आप जहां भी बैठे हैं घर पे, ऊपर वाले ने आपको किसी चीज में बहुत स्पेशल बनाया है, तो वो चीज को ढूंढो। किसी के पीछे इतना दीवाना मत हो जाओ कि आप अपने आप को
खुद को
अंडर
भूलो।
So never
Yeah.
undervalue yourself. Have idols, have role models, but don't go crazy. Don't undervalue yourself. Everyone is special.
Well, thank you so much, Jatin. Thanks a lot. And there's a
Pleasure.
lot of love coming for you. Everybody's
so
like,
many hearts.
we love your mustache, Jatin bhai. That's what everybody's
Yeah.
saying.
And I'll just tell people, a lot of them say, and I'm sure you get so many of these questions, how do you get to do this?
Yeah.
So how
yeah.
do you become an anchor? I'll just tell people, don't try and do this because you want to come on TV and get famous.
Yeah.
This is not why you want to do it. सबसे पहले टेलीविजन सीखिए, किसी न्यूज़ चैनल में चले जाओ, किसी भी चैनल में चले जाओ, पहले ब्रॉडकास्ट मीडियम को समझिए कि कैसे चीज़ें चलती हैं। ये लास्ट एक आई थिंक विंडो होती है that you can come on TV. If you think you'll straight do something, come on TV, you'll not enjoy it and you'll probably not crack it. So don't do it because you want to be famous. Just love the medium, love the broadcast, and जो भी opportunity घुस जाओ, चाहे cameraman बना दें.
Yeah. You gotta love the craft. Yeah.
I love it. Yeah, I started hosting 4.5, 5 years after I was in broadcast industry. So I knew how packages are cut, BTs. मैं edit पे editing करता था यार, editor को समोसे खिलाता था शाम को 5 बजे 7 बैठ के. तो वो करो, उसमें मजा उसमें.
Well, I can just say, Jatin, you deserve everything. Deserve everything that you have, and everything about your life is special. You're very special, and everybody out here, all your fans agree to this. So thank you so much for doing this. Thank you. And lots of love to Nayu.
Thanks, Abhi. And regards to everyone. I hope everyone is staying safe, staying indoors. घर बैठ के काम मिला है, तो I hope सब follow कर रहे हैं. And अब जाओ फटाफट, शो लगाओ, 7 बजे शुरू हो रहा है मेरा क्रिकेट कनेक्टेड नया शो है, फीडबैक दो.
Done.
Thanks, Ridhima.
Everybody's heard that and belated happy birthday. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
I will.
Thank you. See you soon. Bye.
See you soon. Bye. Bye.